The 2002 Jeep Liberty. The Jeep Liberty is quite capable off-road, one of the best in its class. Compared to the Jeep Patriot and Compass, the Liberty is more of a true Jeep with off-road prowess and bold, upright styling, and is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, driver airbag, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, bucket seats, intermittent wipers, front disc and rear drum brakes, variable speed intermittent wipers, cloth seats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.